Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Puritan News. Let us take a journey today into the spiritual and cultural essence of one of the grandest events on earth, the Mahakumbh Mela. Before we delve into its significance, let me narrate a story that defines its origin and relevance in Hinduism. Ages ago, the celestial ocean was churned by two opposing forces, the Devtas and Asuras, in search of Amrit, the nectar of immortality. This arduous effort, known as Samudra Manthan, culminated in emergence of the Amrit Kalash, held by the divine physician Dhanvantari. However, a fierce battle ensued over its possession. In the chaos, drops of Amrit fell at four sacred locations: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, and Nasik, sanctifying these places forever. These drops symbolize enlightenment and liberation, and their legacy continues in form of Mahakumbh Mela. Held once every 12 years, the Mahakumbh is the largest human congregation on earth. In 2013, Prayagraj Kumbh witnessed a staggering 12 crore devotees, and in 2025, even more expected to participate. The event will take place at the Triveni Sangam, where the sacred rivers Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati converge. Millions will gather, chanting Har Har Gange and immersing themselves in holy waters to cleanse their sins and seek spiritual enlightenment. But do you know the organization of Kumbh is deeply rooted in astronomy and astrology? The Sun, Moon, and Jupiter's alignment determines the location and timing of the event. For instance, when the Sun and Moon are in Capricorn and Jupiter is in Taurus, the Kumbh is held in Prayagraj. Similarly, specific celestial alignments decide the Kumbh location in Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. This astronomical precision underscores the profound connection between Hinduism and the cosmos. But why does the Mahakumbh happen in every 12 years? It's because Jupiter takes approximately 12 years to complete its orbit around the Sun, a cycle that mirrors the timing of the Mahakumbh. It is believed that the rivers rejuvenate every 12 years due to planetary alignments, making their waters akin to Amrit. This astronomical rhythm not only dictates the interval but also amplifies the spiritual significance of the event. Each Kumbh location carries unique spiritual importance. Haridwar is home to Har Ki Pauri, where Ganga is believed to have descended from heaven. Prayagraj, revered as king of pilgrimages, hosts Triveni Sangam. Ujjain is sanctified by Shipra river and Mahakaleshwar temple, while Nashik is graced by Godavari river, often referred to as the Gomti Ganga. These places are not only pilgrimage sites, but also cultural epicenters that attract devotees and tourists alike. The Mahakumbh exemplifies the unity of Indian culture. Millions of people, irrespective of caste, creed, or background, gather to bathe in the holy waters. The belief is simple yet profound. The act of taking a dip in these sacred waters cleanses one's sins and paves the way for salvation. This shared faith and collective action fosters a sense of harmony and togetherness. The preparations for Mahakumbh 2025 are massive. With an estimated budget exceeding 4,200 crore rupees, the event involves building temporary infrastructure, improving transportation, ensuring sanitation, and deploying security personnel. Technology plays a significant role, with apps and digital tools being used to manage the crowd and provide real-time updates. The scale of these preparations reflect the government's commitment to accommodating millions of devotees while preserving sanctity of the event. While rooted in Hindu traditions, Mahakumbh resonates the universal themes of faith and purification. Pilgrims from other religions often visit to experience the spiritual energy and witness cultural spectacle. The event's emphasis on harmony, self-reflection, and devotion transcends religious boundaries, making it a global cultural phenomenon. Mahakumbh is not just a religious event, it's a cultural festival. The riverbanks transform into vibrant hubs of devotional music, spiritual discourses, and ritualistic ceremonies. Saints, sages share their wisdom, inspiring devotees to seek inner peace and enlightenment. The event showcases the richness of Indian heritage, leaving a lasting impression on all who participate. Jai Hind.